Hold on, I don't know where it's at.
Christmas Day, got out here with the family a little bit, hit this farm. Love this farm, dynamics changed a little bit, so we had to change how we hunted it. And got to this spot. It's a spot we've never called from, and just knowing what's back there, I knew it would be dynamite. Within 2 minutes of predator stress, we had his first coyote come down. I forgot the tripod, so Brick's running the sticks today. It's not as stable, but it's a shooting platform. So he had a hiccup. I grabbed the rifle, put that coyote down. Another coyote came in as soon as we switched the fight, and started working down around the pond, and caught our wind. We're just gonna get it to stop so we can take a shot at it. And now we're just listening to that coyote booger barkus. But you know, it's a great day, Christmas, out here with the family, killing coyotes, doing what we love together. So let's go grab this coyote. It's not very often something works out how you have it planned, and this stand just about did that. We got set up on this big oak with this fence row behind us, and on the other side of that pond, it goes up, hits the tree line, and then goes down this real thick holler that tends to hold coyotes. And we just never found a good spot to call it from. And with the way the dynamics on this farm changed, this is one of the only fields that's not too tall to get a good video in. So we set up and man, instantly started predator stress. This male came down, and we got him taken out, switched to coyote based sounds, and another coyote came right behind him and started working around the pond, and ended up catching our wind and took off. And evidently snow is delightful to eat. But so, you know, the wind wasn't perfect. Just couldn't get Brick on that coyote working, and it got downwind. Not a big deal, it's gonna happen once in a while. But great setup, worked out just like we planned. You know, it's midday, it's like 1 o'clock in the evening. We still call these coyotes, we're just setting up on them. Doesn't matter what time of day it is, doesn't matter what time of year it is. You just set up on coyotes, put sounds to them. They're calling. If you're in the market for a call, hit up Permanent Predator Calls. Use code MANGY. When you buy an e-collar, you're gonna get 20 sounds that we handpicked for free